Good morning, family. What's up? I'm glad you all are tuned in, coming back with your girl. I'm actually here. Gonna do a quick breakfast for you all and to show you all a quick little 15-minute, not even about 15 minutes of breakfast. So first, I washed my hands and I took out all of the things that I needed. So I'm gonna be cooking some eggs, some organic eggs. They are very good and healthy for you. I have some diced tomatoes and peppers and onions. Y'all may hear my little niece in the background, so she's playing. And I have some chopped potatoes. I already washed them off and cut them up. And I have some grape tomatoes. Let me hold it, Mom. She helping me cook, y'all. I have my plate here. You want to say hey to the camera? Say hi, guys. Say hello. Look. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. She too busy, y'all, playing. But, yeah, family, I'm glad you all are back tuning in with me. I have some sausages that I'm going to be cooking also. Some Garcia sausages, but I have them steaming right now. And then I have my olive oil. That's what I'm gonna be steaming my potatoes with the green peppers and stuff. And then I have some butter also, home style, that I'm gonna be putting in my eggs. So thank you all for tuning in. I love you, family. And make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up. Show love to your girl. You know I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, and I'm almost there, family. So thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to get started. Y'all just watch and see how your girl whip this meal up. So don't forget to share the good news. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment down below so that you all can enter into the CashApp giveaway, and then the other giveaway that's going to be coming up, the iPhone. So I love you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe. Share the good news. Give your girl a thumbs up. Let's whip this meal up. So first, I'm going to put some peppers in here. My little niece trying to grab the things, guys. So I freeze these so that they can be good for the next time that I use them. So that's another tip. Y'all freeze your vegetables. You can cut them up. Even I just bought these like this. Green peppers, onions, and red peppers, yellow peppers. But I actually buy them in a bag and I cut them up myself. But sometimes I don't see the bag and then I just grab some of these. And then you can just stick them in the freezer, because they actually have a lid to go on top of them. So I'm going to fry these up. I'm going to let it get heated up first. And then I'll let my vegetables steam first. And then I'm going to put my potatoes in there. And I can cut my tomatoes up. I have some grape tomatoes. These here. And you can find them from Walmart, family. Yeah, but I'm just doing a quick breakfast and then, of course, my little niece, she eat table food now. So I'm going to be cutting some of these up. Already washed the top of them off. So I'll cut them up. And then you want to put your iron where you can just steam it real slow, your vegetables. We'll put a little bit more in there. Your green peppers, you can put a little bit more in there however much that you want to put in there. Because I love my green peppers and everything, guys. Take everybody in this too much. And then sometimes I cut up my tomatoes too and put them inside the potatoes that I'm going to be steaming. So now I will cut up me just a few tomatoes. I'm going to cut up a few of them to put inside there because I want to bring like a little sweet taste to it. Not much, but just a little bit. Are you trying to eat a tomato? Lord Jesus, she trying to bite her tomato, y'all. Alright, so now I have just a little bit of tomatoes on the side where I can put inside there. So now I'm going to add my potatoes inside here. They don't steam. And you want to steam them till they get like just a little teeny brown on them, not much. This is it right here. And you see that going to make gravy for the brown in the pan. They're going to make a little gravy on your potatoes. So what I do, I just slide them in there. And the tomatoes, I slide them in there. Slide everything in there. And then I put it back on the eye. And I'm going to let them steam down. I'm going to put a little complete seasoning. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. And then I have some black pepper. Because I don't like a whole lot of seasoning. Especially when you're trying to cut down on your weight. So I have been dropping pounds, family. I'll put just a little bit in there. And then alright, family, so now I'm back. And I want to show you all how this steaming along. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks so good. So good. Got your sweet peppers, your onions, and all of that good stuff in there. Tomatoes. Look at that. See how I told you it would make a little gravy in it? From the browning of the onions and sweet peppers and everything in there. So I'm going to put the top back on and let it steam some more. And so now I can start mixing my eggs. So these are the eggs that I'm going to be putting in there. The organic, cage-free eggs. And they are very yummy. So now I'm going to put the eggs. Break those eggs. I'll be right back. Alright, family, so I'm stirring up my eggs like I was saying, and you want to make sure that you stir them up real good, so that your cheese can be added in there. And so now I'm gonna set this down, and then I can add me some butter, just a little bit, in here, and heat it up. And then I can add eggs. And I already have my steamed sausages in here. So it's gonna be good, family. And it don't take nothing but like probably about 15 minutes for you to cook this meal. Very quick. So if you want a quick breakfast, healthy breakfast. So I melted my butter, and then I'm gonna pour this in there. Alright. Oh, I forgot my milk. Hold on just a minute, family. Okay, so now, family, I put a little bit of pepper in them. Just a little bit. These are my eggs. So, y'all stay right there, and I'm going to show you my plate. So y'all can see how good this breakfast came out. Alright, family, your girl is back. Look at this plate. Oh my God. Look at that, family. Wow. Taste that. Oh my gosh. Good, healthy plate. Sausage with sauteed onions and bell peppers, tomatoes, and potatoes, and some delicious eggs. I put a little parsley on there. Also, I have some orange juice. So I'm gonna fix a glass of orange juice. And this is what I'm having, family. So I'm finna enjoy. But thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be praying for you all. Y'all continue to pray for me. Also, I thank you all always for tuning in. So don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on the video. So I'm finna enjoy this meal. I'll see you all next time. I love